Hi everyone, my name is Kanika. Today we are going to learn about artificial intelligence. This is a beginner level topic and I will explain it in a very simple words. Introduction to AI. First, what is AI? AI is when we make computer or machines think and work like humans. They can understand languages, recognizing picture and even make decisions. Example, Siri or Alexa listening to you and replaying. Now, AI has three main types: narrow AI, general AI, super AI. Narrow AI can do only one specific task. General AI can do anything a human can do. Super AI smarter than humans. Basic concept in AI. How does AI actually works? It needs three things: data, the information we give it; algorithms, the step-by-step instruction it follows; models, the brain of the machine after learning. Some important terms you will hear in AI. Machine learning, teaching machines using data so they learn on their own. Deep learning, advanced learning using some things called neural networks. Neural networks, a system inspired by how our human brain works to recognize patterns. Machine learning, machine learning or ML is a part of AI. Here, machine learning from data without us telling them every single steps. There are two main types. Supervised learning. The data has labeled. Example, showing the machine cat photos labeled as cat and dog photos labeled as dog. Unsupervised data. The data has no labels. The machine finds patterns on its own. Example in real life. Netflix suggesting shows for you. Applications of AI. Where is AI used? Honestly, almost everywhere. Healthcare, finding disease in X-ray; education, smart tutoring systems that guide students; finance, detecting funds in bank transaction; daily life, Google Maps, face unlock, voice assistant like Alexa or Siri. Ethics and challenges in AI. Of course, AI is amazing, but we have to use it carefully. This is where ethics comes in, making sure AI is fair, safe, and used in right way. Some challenges are AI bias. If the data is wrong, AI gives wrong result. Privacy. Our personal data can be misused. Job automation. Some jobs might be replaced by humans. Future of AI and careers. What about the future? AI is going to be everywhere in robots, smart cities, and self-driving cars. Career option in AI includes AI engineer, data scientist, AI researcher. If you want to work in AI, you will need skills like coding, handling data, and problem solving. So that's it, friends. Today we learned what is AI, its types, how it works, where it is used, the challenges it faces, and what the future looks like. Thank you, everyone.